Welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to Daddy's Sisters. And today we are doing a house tour. House tour. House tour. Anyway, I'll put it down. And I put it down. We are doing the house tour. We are doing the house tour. And you see, do you notice something? Do you notice something? Do you notice something, guys? Mm. The pink wig is back. And anytime the pink wig is back. Anyway, if you are new, before that, if you are new, please like, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. We are cool, guys. Anyway, before I start, notice the pink wig is back. It is because the hair is not done anymore. And if you are new, whenever we have this pink wig here, it's because either someone requested it back or I'm redoing my hair, okay? This time around is because I'm redoing my hair. The pink wig is back. Let me tell you guys. Let's sit down here. First of all, when I recorded this video a few days back with my braids, with the braids, I recorded this with the braids. But do you know what? My stupid ass, my stupid crazy ass deleted it. I deleted it myself. How is that possible? I filmed the whole video and I deleted it. So, sorry. So we are redoing this now with the pink hair. Because I haven't done my hair and I can't show it to you. It's very, very ugly. But you will see it in the next video. The video after this, you see the hair. I also filmed that because I wanted to show you guys how I do my hair from me undoing the previous one to the new one. So there's gonna be that, and it's gonna be very, very boring. It's very, very boring. So I had to cut a lot of things. This is about me or my hair. Let me come. You guys at the house. So this is the living room. Let's go to the door and then we'll come in. When you come to the house, in front of that, this is what you see. This room right there is for my big brother. I'm not allowed in there. Then we got a few things that we don't know where we're going to keep here yet. This. We just don't know where I'm going to keep them here. And this is our door. Some plastic chairs, some area boys left. Then we have this whole space. I'm trying not to show people because people are watching me right now. Then you come in, open this. Okay, so when you come in, we have the door. My mom has this drape that are blue, and I like it because it's like baby blue. Let me show you guys. See the color, look at the color. It's very, very cute. These children, they touch this stuff, but it's cute. It's very nice. And then on the right side, you have the fridge. A lot of this is a mess. I'm supposed to clean up, but me and you guys are friends, so we don't need to be doing all that bullshit. The fun thing. Then there's the door to the bedroom. We have 2 fans in this house. I don't know why. It makes double the noise. Okay, it doesn't make this fan doesn't make the noise as the previous house fan. That was very, very nice because it was old and creaky. So that's it. Let me turn this off because in case it makes a noise, it makes noise into the video. I don't want to be part of the video. Okay, there's a baby crying. Then there's the glass. My mother's, yeah, this She used to, what do I say? Saw yam, fried yam with this one. There's the praying mat. Then there's the big couch. I was laying down here editing the hair video. I don't know how I ended up deleting the room tour. But then there's this giant window. Guys, guys, I love this giant window because, let me show you. Look at this. Your girl is bright and beautiful. In front of the window, I like it's very, very bright. The right now natural lighting is very bright in this house, and I really love it. So, yeah. Then, as usual, we have the TV. Actually, this time around, the TV is actually mounted, which is a good thing because we didn't mount it in the old house. Then all the electrical stuff. Like that. The second window. Then the couch. Everybody has this couch in their house, okay? Don't judge me. Everybody has this couch in their house where they put every single thing they have on it. Me trying to redeem myself. And then there's my husband. And guys, when I say my husband, I don't mean I'm actually married to him. That is my grandfather. Here in Ghana, here we call our grandfathers our husbands, even a lot of places in the world. So he's my grandfather, okay? Just to specify that he's my grandfather. May he so rest in peace. He passed away 2 years back. And I think that's the entire. Then we have, look at this. I love this black tile here, but it's kind of dusty now. I love this black tile because it's very, very bright and it's very, very beautiful in the middle of the room. That's cool. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This is the second door here. Apart from the mom's door. This door leads to the outside. Let me see. Yeah. It leads to this part of that. This window is to my mom's bedroom. Then we have my uncle's house over here. Can you guys believe? My father and his other brother have lands facing each other. This is my uncle's house. Then let's go back in because mom closed this door and it was on lockdown. So now we go into the bedroom. And okay, one thing is the bedroom, there's other things that aren't done inside and other things that the carpenter, the woodman didn't bring. So we have that issue. But also another thing is my mom is okay with me filming, but she's not going with me filming the bathroom. And it is her bathroom because our bathroom isn't completed, so we are using the main one. She's not okay with me filming that, so you guys see the bathroom. But let's go to the bedroom. You come in, you go this way. Okay, first issue with this room is that where is the door? Where is the door? Okay, two doors are in here together with a wardrobe. They are in here because the carpenter has issues. They were supposed to be here before we came, but he has issues. He's not completed it yet, so these two doors aren't complete. That's the bathroom door, and this is the door leading to the hallway. And these are a few things we don't really know where we're keeping them. I cooked. A few things we don't really know where we are keeping yet because there's a TV in the hall. We can't put another TV there. So we're not sure we're going to put it. My mother's kitchen utensils, kitchen things. But this isn't part of it. This is a hair cream. And then my choppers, mom's cooker. I don't even know where mine is, okay? And then some utensils we are actually using now. We don't really bring everything out. Flags, coolers. And also we have a problem. My brother broke this entire wall of window. He broke the glasses on that wall, so that wall doesn't have a window yet. And there's the bedroom, the bed. I love this bed because it's huge. It's very, very big. And I also love it because it has a length. The former bed in our house, in the other room, was on the ground. So it was really, really short. And let me show you where that one is right now. is down here. You people can't really see it, but that's the bed we put under this one. Before the okay, that's the fourth mistake of the carpenter. The bed isn't here. The mattress is here, but the bed itself isn't here. So where is the thing? So that's also a problem. But we have all of that sorted out. This is the bedroom. We have our clothes, everything, and then we have some utensils here that we didn't bring up because we don't know where we're keeping them yet. My brother's glass working machine. I don't know what that is. Then my bag, my carry-on, my main bag, my daddy bag, my mom's bags, my sister's, my bag, some few carry-ons, and that's the bedroom, guys. I'm gonna show you part of the bathroom, even though she didn't allow me to show you. Show you this part, just this part alone. This part is supposed to have a toilet right now here, but because it's incompleted, we have just our utensils here. I have just a few utensils. My cooker from school. I used to do catering, so my cooker. So a few of my things. And oh, guys, let me tell you guys. One thing I still love about this house is that the natural lighting is great. Okay, the natural lighting is very, very beautiful. Look at all of this. And we have lighting. I'm crazy. Anyway, that is the end of the house. So. And I'm gonna edit this now. That's the end of the house. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new, yeah, this is bad camera quality. I know. I'm very, very aware of it. But I'm serious. I filmed this already and it was very, very good, and I took my time. But right now I'm actually kind of busy. That's why I wanted to film it again, because I promised this will come up before other videos. So I wanted to film this for it to come up before any other video. So I love how the TV is hanging behind me. So that is the end of this video. If you are new, please subscribe. I promise you better content soon. If you are new, subscribe, like, comment. Comment some videos for me to film, because I really don't know anymore. Comment some few videos for me to film. And like, if you actually even want my sisters in the video, if you haven't seen my sisters, there's two of them here. They've been in my video before, right? The little one has been, my little sister has been the last born. She's been in my video. I have a makeup video with her. And then let me know, sister. Not much. She's appeared in my video, but she hasn't been in the video itself. So if you want me to film with my sisters, comment down below, guys. I'm happy they are really, actually my younger sister is really happy that like being on camera. She's very happy with it, and she's very happy for most of my pictures, like the ones I post on Instagram or anywhere at all, any of my social medias. Follow me on Instagram at Body Beauty GH, and on Facebook at Body Sisters. Snapchat I think is Body Beauty. Then on TikTok, yes guys, I make TikTok now. I make TikTok videos. Follow me on that at BossBaby98. I don't know why I chose that name in the first place, but I go through phases. Okay, I go through phases where I like a nickname, but then I end up not liking it anymore, but I like it again. So follow me on TikTok at BossBaby98. I make videos though, okay? I make videos. I'm not gonna say good videos, I make videos. And actually I really like some of them because they're very, very nice. And I love using the TikTok editor. Okay, wait, is there a brand deal for TikTok? No. That's the end of the video. Follow me, guys. I was saying that my younger sister takes my pictures on there. She takes most of all my pictures, okay? If she's not here, I use time, and that's very, very hard to take pictures with. She takes all my pictures. Look at all my Instagram pictures. She takes most of them, so